Digging in the wrong place can lead to hazardous public safety conditions and unnecessary repairs. It can also lead to redundant costs for both you and your customer. Avoid this disruption with the rugged Amprobe UAT-600 underground utilities locator and its multiple tracing modes, which locates energized and de-energized utilities in a variety of applications. Amprobe's safety-first approach leads the industry with compliant solutions. The UAT-600 is the only certified Category 4 600-volt line tracer on the market, and its rugged, water-resistant design works seamlessly in the most demanding conditions. Easily trace buried utilities up to 100 feet deep, with accurate depth measurements up to 20 feet. The large all-weather high-contrast LCD receiver display allows for clear viewing in full sunlight and features an automatic backlight for shaded and dark areas. The intuitive transmitter automatically chooses the correct locating mode based on the connected accessory and includes selectable 8 or 33 kHz frequencies. If it's not possible or safe to make electrical contact to a cable, use the signal clamp accessory to apply a signal. For applications where ground fault locating is required, use the UAT-600 transmitter in combination with the optional A-frame accessory. Locating underground utilities has never been faster or more accurate. And now, the UAT-600 joins Amprobe's portfolio of solutions for the electrical professional.